Hey everyone, the Aurzen Zip, the world's first tri-fold portable projector, was unveiled at CES 2025, marking a revolutionary leap forward in portable projection technology. Combining cutting-edge innovation with unmatched portability, the Aurzen Zip redefines what is possible in the compact projector market. The ingenious tri-fold design is central to the Aurzen Zip's appeal. Weighing just 9.88 ounces and measuring a mere 3.31 by 3.07 by 1.02 inches. This device is exceptionally lightweight and compact. Its first fold houses an ultra-compact DLP microprocessor, while the second fold features stereo speakers supported by high-strength aluminum hinges. The third fold incorporates a non-slip base and an integrated battery. This innovative Z-shaped structure eliminates the need for additional tripods, ensuring a hassle-free setup in any location. Seamless connectivity is a hallmark of the Aurzen Zip. With one-tap screen mirroring, the device is compatible with iOS, Android, macOS, and Windows platforms without requiring Wi-Fi. For enhanced versatility, the optional CastPlay dongle extends its compatibility to HDMI devices, such as TV boxes and game consoles. The Aurzen Zip integrates TOF zero-lag autofocus technology, which measures distances up to 30 times per second, enabling swift and precise focus as well as vertical keystone correction. Adding to its adaptability, an onboard gyroscope allows the projector to seamlessly transition between horizontal and vertical orientations, making it perfect for viewing mobile content from apps like Instagram and TikTok in full-screen, borderless formats. Despite its diminutive size, the Aurzen Zip offers impressive performance. It features a native 720p resolution with the ability to play 4K content, 100 ARN lumens of brightness, and a battery capacity of 5,000 mAh, providing 1.5 hours of usage on a single charge. The inclusion of 24-watt USB-C fast charging ensures quick and efficient recharges. Aurzen has announced that the Zip is now available for pre-order on Kickstarter, starting at an early bird price of $249, a significant discount from its anticipated $399 retail price. Shipping is expected to commence in March 2025. For more groundbreaking innovations unveiled at CES 2025, be sure to check out our comprehensive coverage. Please share your thoughts regarding the Aurzen Zip and whether you use it in the comments section. Have a nice day and God bless you.